Okay guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be discussing about testing of solar panels. So today I'll be showing you guys how to test a solar panel, but there's something I want you guys to understand first. The meter that they do use in testing solar panels, wattage and voltage is quite different from a normal clamp meter. As you can see, this is a solar multimeter. Okay, today we'll be checking the voltage of this solar panel and its wattage. Alright, so please come with me. Okay, so these are the terminals of the solar panel. This right here is the positive terminal, and this is the negative terminal of the solar panel. So now, unlike other multimeters, right, this particular solar multimeter does not have a knob where you can navigate to either your AC voltage or your DC voltage. So all you've got to do is you connect your negative and your positive terminal of the solar multimeter to your solar panel. Okay. So just like I've mentioned earlier on, right, you are expected to connect the positive terminal of the solar multimeter to the positive terminal of your solar panel, and then your negative terminal of the solar multimeter to your negative terminal of the solar panel. I believe that has been understood. Okay. And please take note, as soon as you connect the terminals together, automatically the multimeter will comes up on its own. Do you understand? You don't need to switch it on and off. All right. So right now we have to give it some seconds for it to load so that we can start taking our reading. Okay, we've done the connection, all right, but we won't be able to get the maximum wattage of this solar panel because of the weather condition, because this is past 6 p.m. our local time in Nigeria. All right, the maximum wattage that this solar panel is generating right now is 2.30 watts. And the open circuit voltage that this solar panel is generating at the moment is 34.78 voltage. Okay.
TES, with a team of certified professionals, cutting-edge tools, and a commitment to quality, we ensure every connection is secure, every system is optimized, and every client is satisfied. Whether it's wiring a new building, upgrading your electrical systems, or providing round-the-clock maintenance, we bring light, safety, and innovation to your doorstep. TES is committed to fostering human happiness and contentment through the services we provide.